Hello everyone, welcome to Nikite Academy. In this video, we will see how to create 120 days Snowflake trial account. Snowflake offers a 120-day trial account for learning purposes. To create this account, we need one personal email ID and no payment information is required. So normally if you go to this particular page, we will get 30 days trial account, but we will see how to create 120 days trial account. In this particular link, you can add trial equal to student, then enter. So I have given this link in the description. You can make use of it and you can see this. Start your 120-day free trial account. Snowflake is giving us this particular account for learning purpose and it's the same $400 worth of resource usage. Just fill the form. So I'll put first name, last name. For work email, so we can give personal email, and this one we can go for learning purpose. This particular option we can select personal learning and development. Just click on continue. Company name, you can provide the company name, and the job title. So you can give a job title here. I'm giving a job title as data engineer. So here we have to select editions. So we can select enterprise edition, which has 90-day time travel. No need to change the Snowflake edition. And we know already on top of any one of the cloud providers, we can create Snowflake account. So just I'm creating Snowflake account on AWS and we can keep it. So whatever the regions nearer to our location, we can keep it and you can select this terms and conditions, click on get started. So we will get this particular page. You can just skip it and we should have received an email to activate this account. I will copy this email username. I'll go to this email. I will check that yes, we got the email. Go to this activate Snowflake account. So this is the link. Okay, so once activated, we can use this particular link and this is the account. Click to activate and we have to provide the username just to give the email user itself and we have to choose the password. So the password should be 14 to 256 characters and these are the conditions. I have entered the password and confirm password. Click on get started. So welcome to Snowflake. This is the page we'll get it and skip for now. You can click on skip for now and this is the page we got. So 400 worth of credits left out. You can make use of this account for different purpose for next 4 months. You can go to the worksheet, you can create new worksheet and start using the Snowflake. If you are looking for Snowflake tutorial, you can stay connected on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notification. If you are looking for a complete Snowflake online training, then you can contact me on this number, which is available in the description. Thank you. We will meet in another interesting video on Snowflake.